This is something I got not too long ago. This is an older, my guess is 90s, but it might be newer than that. Holmes humidifier. When I get a model number off of it, I'll put it in the title and or the description of the video. This kind of replaced the Essex Air / Air Care / Bemis humidifiers that I've been using. It's got some advantages. The low water is water level based instead of weight based. The other whole house humidifiers or large area humidifiers have when the canister gets too light, it shuts the fan off. Well, the switches aren't that great, and to get about half of the water that you get about half of the water out of that canister before it turns off. This thing keeps running the fan, it just turns on the refill light, which is another nice thing. And also the refill light comes on before it's fully empty, so more economical on the water. I got this, and I got a bunch of 2 extra filters with it, 2 extra wicks with it, so yeah. Without further ado, I will turn it on, starting on high speed. Use medium. And then here's low speed. And low speed is what I leave it on, because I like it a little quiet. And as you can hear, it is pretty quiet, and it does move a good amount of air. I'll see you guys in the next one. Just a quick video on this, because it's not a super common model where I am, but I'm sure it's common overall.